In the heart of a quaint town, nestled amidst the trees, there stood an old and enigmatic building known only to a select few, a secret library. The townspeople had heard rumors of its existence, but its location remained a well-guarded mystery. Legends whispered tales of magical books, enchanted scrolls, and ancient wisdom hidden within its walls. Among those who knew of its existence was a curious young woman named Eliza. Her love for books and the thirst for knowledge had led her to uncover the truth about the secret library. One fateful day, with the sun casting its golden rays, she followed a cryptic map she had stumbled upon, which eventually guided her to a discreet alleyway. Eliza hesitated for a moment before entering. As she stepped inside, the heavy wooden door closed behind her with an almost ethereal creak, sealing off the world outside. The interior was breathtaking, with tall shelves stretching to the ceiling, laden with an array of leather-bound books, faded parchments, and gleaming crystals. Her heart pounding with excitement, Eliza explored the library's seemingly infinite corridors, each section representing a different branch of knowledge: history, science, magic, art, and more. But what fascinated her most was the Uncharted Realms section, an entire wing devoted to mystical realms and mythical creatures. As she wandered through the aisles, a particularly old book caught her eye. Its cover was adorned with intricate runes and an emblem of a phoenix, and it seemed to emit a faint glow. She gingerly opened the book, and as her eyes scanned the pages, the words began to dance before her. The book had a will of its own, unfolding tales of long-forgotten lands and hidden wonders. But, as with all things magical, there were rules that governed the library's secrets. Eliza soon learned that the books themselves were protectors of the knowledge they held. They would only reveal their contents to those who proved themselves worthy of the wisdom within. It was not enough to be merely curious. One had to possess a genuine thirst for understanding and a pure heart. Over the days that followed, Eliza delved into the depths of the secret library, devouring knowledge that she could have scarcely imagined. She grew wiser and more compassionate, finding herself changed by the stories she read and the lessons she learned. Her desire to share this newfound wisdom with her fellow townspeople grew stronger with each passing day. However, the secret library sensed a shift within Eliza. It knew that she now had a purpose beyond mere curiosity. The books began to reveal even more profound secrets, guiding her toward a task that only she could fulfill. One evening, as the moon shone brightly overhead, Eliza stumbled upon a forgotten corner of the library, a portal to another realm. A realm plagued by darkness and despair, where hope had been extinguished. The books whispered that this world could be healed if someone from the outside could shine a light upon it, and Eliza knew that she was the chosen one. With a determined heart, she gathered her courage and stepped through the portal. The transition was both terrifying and exhilarating as she found herself in a realm of shadows. Armed with the knowledge she had acquired, she set out to bring hope, love, and understanding to the inhabitants of this world. As days turned to weeks, Eliza's presence slowly kindled a spark of hope among the people. She shared stories from the secret library, tales of bravery, compassion, and redemption, inspiring them to stand against the darkness that had held them captive for so long. The transformation was gradual, but with each passing day, the realm brightened. The darkness receded, and life returned to the once desolate land. Word of the mysterious outsider and her miraculous gift spread far and wide, becoming a beacon of hope in itself. In the end, Eliza bid a tearful farewell to the realm she had saved, knowing that her mission there was complete. As she stepped back through the portal, she felt a profound sense of gratitude for the secret library, which had not only gifted her knowledge but had also allowed her to become a harbinger of change. From that day forward, Eliza became the guardian of the secret library, She kept its existence hidden, allowing only those who truly sought wisdom and possessed noble intentions to discover its secrets. And in the years to come, the library continued to play its part in weaving tales of hope, magic, and wonder in the lives of those who sought it, always fulfilling its sacred duty to safeguard knowledge for generations to come. As the years passed, Eliza's bond with the secret library deepened. She dedicated herself to preserving the ancient tomes and safeguarding the knowledge they held. She became an adept scholar, mastering the mystical arts written in the hidden scrolls and understanding the wisdom of the ages. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and Eliza knew that she must never let the allure of the library's secrets corrupt her heart. She remained humble and continued to embrace the guiding principles of compassion and selflessness that the library had taught her. With time, Eliza became known as the guardian of the secret library, a legendary figure among those who had glimpsed its wonders. She became a source of inspiration for the townspeople, who often sought her counsel and guidance. Many came to the library, hoping to find answers to their questions and solutions to their dilemmas. But one day, a visitor arrived in the town, a charismatic and ambitious man named Victor. He had heard whispers of the secret library and was determined to uncover its location and claim its treasures for himself. Unaware of the library's protective nature, Victor sought to exploit its powers for personal gain. Driven by greed and envy, Victor spared no effort to find the library. He bribed townsfolk, scoured old texts, and followed cryptic clues, but the library's magic remained elusive. The secret library sensed his impure intentions, and its doors remained hidden to him. Frustrated and desperate, Victor's ambitions turned darker. He resorted to reckless actions, putting innocent lives at risk to force the library's secrets into the open. Eliza, as the guardian, knew she had to protect the library from falling into the wrong hands. One night, as the moon shone brightly, Eliza confronted Victor on the outskirts of town. She implored him to abandon his wicked quest and warned him of the consequences of tampering with the library's magic. But Victor's heart was consumed by darkness, and he refused to heed her words. A fierce battle ensued between Eliza and Victor, the clash of their wills sending shockwaves through the surrounding forest. Victor wielded dark spells, seeking to overpower Eliza, but she stood firm, her love for the library and the knowledge it held, fueling her resolve. In the end, Eliza's compassion triumphed over Victor's malevolence. She managed to break through his defenses not with violence but by reminding him of the power of forgiveness and redemption. Overwhelmed by the depth of his own wrongdoings, Victor finally relented, and tears washed away the darkness that had consumed him.